If you want to auto reset your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I'll show you how. Make sure you have 50% and above battery on your phone. For this process, you need the internet connection to log out to your Apple account. So first open the settings app and scroll down and open general and scroll down to the way end. Then click transfer or reset iPhone. Now at the bottom you can see this option, erase all content and settings. Click that. Okay, here you can see 41 gigs of files, apps and data, and iCloud account, and find my iPhone. So just click continue and confirm that. The thing is, before you doing this, you need to back up your photos and videos if you wish. Either you can use the external hard drive to copy all your photos directly from iPhone to your hard drive, or use PC or laptop using iTunes, or you can upload your files to iCloud. Right now you can see the files are uploading to iCloud. After this process complete, you can continue the process. Okay. Now for now I just don't want these files. I click skip backup. And here you need to enter your Apple ID password. Then turn off. Yeah. It takes like 30 to 1 minute to see this page. Now just leave your iPhone 17 until you see the hello screen. Okay, now it's came to the hello screen. Now just swipe up. Now just choose the language and connect to the Wi-Fi or hotspot on the upcoming page and follow the steps. So it's actually very simple. If you want to know how to do the setup on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, you need to watch this video.